Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Dr. Mazen Abou Chaaban, the chairperson of the 4th Annual Fakeeh University Hospital Conference, director of the Academic and Training Affairs. I'm excited to invite you to join us on November 14 and 15 at the JW Marriott Marina, Dubai, for a truly future-focused experience in the field of emergency and acute medicine. From robot-assisted intervention to gene therapy that could rewrite the rules of treatment, this conference is your gateway to what's next in medicine and innovations. If you are passionate about saving lives, driving innovations, and being part of the change, then this is your moment. Join us and let's share and shape the future of healthcare together.